When damaging content shows up in search, the big question is, can you remove it? Or do you have to outrank it? At NetReputation, we offer two powerful solutions: removal when content qualifies and cleanup when it doesn't. Removal means getting the content taken down through direct outreach, policy appeals, or legal action when necessary. Cleanup means pushing that content down using SEO, optimized profiles, and positive assets that take control of what shows up first. We help you decide which approach works best based on the platform, the content type, and how it's affecting your life or business. Every reputation issue is different. That's why we build strategies that match the problem and the person. We've done it for 100,000 others. We can do it for you too.